Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the flame element in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to complete all the Abyss Islands leading to the Frost element unlock, the Sanctorum of Darkness, and the Loop of Life Island. We have a detailed video in the channel on how to complete all three of them, so please make sure to check it out. If you just finished the Loop of Life Island, head toward the Sky Gate and activate it. Now fly your way towards the floating island right over there. Once you're here, use the teleporter so you can get transported to the Tree of Slumber Island. Activate the circular floor switch in front of us. Walk out of this room and you'll see 5 pillars and a circle contraption in the center. Make sure not to walk on the lavas as these will instantly kill you. Now walk over to your left and do a stab move on this notch. Rotate the device towards the left until the yellow light on the 3 pillars lights up. Now remove your stab sword here and walk a bit to your left and stab this notch. Rotate the device towards the right until 3 pillars are the same height, like so. Lastly, walk behind this device and stab the notch here. Rotate the device towards the left until all the rings on the 5 pillars lights up. This should activate the circular contraption behind us. Activate this device from a safe distance using the Force Current skill. This skill can be unlocked in the Spirit Tree from this node. You need to max out the Force Palm node and your Axiom Force to level 2 to be able to unlock this. You do need to invest a couple of artifacts for this, but it's worth it since it's a huge quality of life upgrade. This should unlock the flame element along with the artifact reward on the platform above. And that's how to get the flame element in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.